William Noland Elsaesser, Ph.D., is a renowned scientist and researcher supported by over 2 decades of knowledge in shellfish and reproductive ecology, bivalve aquaculture, comparative physiology, and more. Growing up near the ocean, he credits his steadfast love and curiosity for his exceptional career, noting he could not imagine his life without the ocean. While attending high school, Dr. Elsaesser volunteered with the American Red Cross and United Way, through which he became involved with young adults living with autism. His interactions with children encouraged him to pursue a career in medicine before eventually switching to science. To prepare for his professional journey, Dr. Elsaesser earned a Bachelor of Science in Biological and Biomedical Services from Florida State University in 1999. He later attained a Doctor of Philosophy in Biological Oceanography from the University of South Florida's College of Marine Sciences in 2014. During the early stages of his career, Dr. Elsaesser worked as a hatchery manager and aquaculture technician for Bay Shellfish Aquaculture in Palmetto, Florida, between 1999 and 2001. Subsequently, he served as a research associate and laboratory instructor at the University of South Florida from 2001 to 2007, and as an assistant scientist for Terra Environmental Services, Inc. from 2007 to 2010. That same year, Dr. Elsaesser commenced his tenure as a BTO project scientist for Cardno, a global leader in sustainable design and engineering, now owned by Stantec. Serving in his current position for nearly 13 years, Dr. Elsaesser has excelled as a BTO project scientist. His responsibilities have included project design, data collection, quality assurance, evaluation of proposed projects and results, as well as aquatic resource damage assessment, field team management and coordination, among other tasks. Likewise, he has worked on spill-related invertebrate sampling and rough identifications for Upper Mississippi River benthos, documented development support for 316B project needs, and essential fish habitat assessments. Alongside his work with Cardno, Dr. Elsaesser is an on-call project scientist with SWCA. To accompany his research-driven work, Dr. Elsaesser is a prolific writer, having contributed to the Journal of Shellfish Research multiple times. Works to his credit as a co-author include Determination of the Effect Diet Has on the Elemental Composition of the Juvenile Shells of the Hard Clam Mercenaria mercenaria from 2011. The Influence of Select Single-Species Algal Diets on the Growth, Mortality, and Elemental Shell Composition of Agrospecten irradians concentricus from 2005, and Utilization of SEM X-ray microanalysis in the determination of the contribution of algal species on the elemental shell composition of Agrospecten irradians concentricus from 2004. Driven to remain aware of changes in the field, Dr. Elsaesser is affiliated with the National Shell Fisheries Association. In conjunction with his work, he contributes to his community via the American Red Cross as an emergency response volunteer, Save Our Seas as a campaign volunteer, and United Way as a special events coordinator, newsletter author, and office aide. In a career filled with highlights, he is most proud of the relationships he has built in his work with MOCA's Adult Foster Care, where he acts as the assistant supervisor in the management of the support staff, and as a mentor and a life coach for those residing in the facility. In the coming years, Dr. Elsaesser aims to conduct research regarding the climate and bivalves, with further hopes to apply the analysis to mapping the future potential for certifications of the ocean. He also plans to continue his advocacy for the use of renewable energy sources, as well as supporting projects to spearhead such endeavors. With this sentiment, his motto goes, "Do the best you can at all times. It makes the best of everything in front of you."